What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. If you're here, chances are you're thinking about replacing both your front and rear rotors and all of your brake pads on your ZL1. Now, you've probably already done some research and noticed that the front and rear rotors are extremely expensive. Now, I found a way to save about $500 over this entire project by just ordering those same exact OEM parts off of Amazon. Now, these are the same part numbers, the same manufacturer, and the same thing that you would be getting from a dealership. For example, the front rotors are normally listed for about $1,000 online. I ordered mine for $750. And for the rear rotors, they're normally $350, and I got mine for $250. Now, as far as the replacement goes, we're gonna walk you guys through step by step and bolt by bolt to show you how easy this really is to knock out at home and get a fresh new set of rotors on your car. So let's go ahead and dive into that process and check out the before and after. Who the fuck tightened these? Ship them from where? Oh, this is too easy now. What's going on? Why is this so easy? So to remove the pads, all you have to do is press into the pistons themselves and it will begin to release the pad, make it a lot easier to kind of shimmy this all the way out. All right, so once you knock out these top two pins, again, just using a hammer and just a screwdriver, they'll fit right through. You have to remove the 13mm bolt that's on the back side of the rotor. That's going to release the metal bracket that's holding all of the pads inside of the rotor itself. Your rotors will have a locking torque spit right here. So this one is a T30. Just use your impact on a lower setting to get that to loosen. That'll release the rotor itself from the hub behind it. Once you've cleared that, all you have to do is remove two 18mm bolts that are in the back of the spindle. Be sure to have something to support the caliper while you're going ahead and doing this change. You still want to keep your brake line connected. It's just going to make your life a lot easier when you're putting things back together, but just have something right behind to rest this gently on so that there's no damage to the actual lines themselves. So with that said, we're going to go ahead and back this all the way off, take care of the 18mm bolts in the back, and then go ahead and swap on our brand new pads and rotor. There we go, okay, let's service that again.
Looks like these are.
I think it's one more.
Hubs now.
So close though. Now the rear rotors are an extremely similar process to the front. So we're gonna go ahead, remove both of the brake pads, loosen up the bolts on the back of the caliper, and then go ahead and swap on our new rotors. So let's go ahead, dive straight in and get this entire brake replacement and rotor replacement done. A little bit. So there you have it. We replaced both our old and warped rotor and pads that were pretty beaten down with fresh OEM parts all around the car. Again, this is a simple project that you can complete within a few hours on a Saturday. Again, if you're interested again in any of the parts that we used for both the front and rear, all of them are going to be linked down in the description below. Keep in mind, they're all OEM parts, and this is something that's a direct replacement, the same that you would find at the service department over at a Chevy dealership. So that's going to wrap up today's video. If you did enjoy it or learn something today, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.